Hi, here we have Nutty and Stormy's 8-week-old puppies. They're ready to go, and we're going to show them off to you one by one. And they have different little bows on them so you can tell the difference. Grant's holding a boy right now, and he is very playful, and he's gotten lots of attention from kids, and he's been around cats, and he's working on getting potty trained already, and working on getting him leash trained. And so this is a boy with a green bow on, and we're calling him Yoru. It means night, until he gets a new owner who wants to change his name. Okay, then we have a little girl in the pink bow. She's got a nice little patch of white on her, and she is very sweet, and they're having fun out here this evening. We're calling her Shinju for right now until she goes to her new owner who wants to change her name. They all like playing with Grant, as you can see. Okay, next we have another boy in this yellow bow. He's got a nice little patch of white in the shape of a T on his chest. And he's got a really nice thick coat of fur, and we're calling him Kokuin. It means black smoke in Japanese for right now. These puppies are 8 weeks old, and they're ready to go to their new forever homes. And the last one we have is in the purple bow. She's a little girl, and she is lots of fun and has lots of energy. And she loves to be held and loved on. We're calling her Misa for right now. It means pearl. And that's the 4 of them. They're all lots of fun, and like I said, they're all working on getting potty trained and leash trained, and they come inside and they go outside. They've been around lots of different experiences. They've been around lots of kids and different animals, and there they are.
Let him play.